Hej! Välkommen till min kanal. Today is the day I've been waiting for a long time. Today I will go to Germany and pick up the truck I have chosen. It's been a long time coming due to the corona situation and everything else. Finally the day is here. This is the first leg of the trip. I'm going to the train station. Then I'm going to switch to a bus that takes me to Landvetter airport. And after that I'm flying for the first time in ages, it feels like. I'm always excited because it's been a while. My passport even expired, so I needed to get a new passport as well. Anyway, flying from Gothenburg to Stuttgart. And then I changed flight from Stuttgart to Hamburg, and I'm meeting up with a guy at the company that where I bought the truck. So follow me on the journey. So today is Wednesday and I'm going to pick up the truck. We are going to the registration office and we need to buy new batteries for it. The batteries were more or less dead, not safe to drive with. I think I can have trouble if I don't change them, and I want to change them anyhow. So I'm in the hotel in Hamburg and I'm going to meet Reza. We're driving to the shop and buy the batteries. Looks like a used car sale. Exactly the way I picture it. Let's see if this is the right spot. Yes, I can see it behind the corner. There it is. So this is the truck. Let's see.
So now I'm at the ferry by the Rödby Portgarden transit, waiting for the ferry to take me over to Denmark and then further on to Sweden. First stop on the trip after Hamburg. Everything has gone according to plan. So far everything has gone well. It's still a bit uncertain and a bit of anxiety driving the truck because I haven't getting used to the size yet. But it's going better and better, and a couple of hours I might be more relaxed and a few more kilometers under my belt. So far so good. Now we just wait for the ferry to leave. There is a car trailer with a lot of Teslas. Is it Model Y? No. 3X. Now I'm in Denmark, on the way to Copenhagen. It's 200 kilometers from Rödby to Copenhagen. Everything works well and the truck is running great.